Okay, make sure as you get on up there and start getting registered, make your donation right up there to the table to the left of the DJ table. I want to thank each and every one of you for being out here tonight. 5:15, we will have... There we go.
Hey, you whistling at me? Wheel left. Hop. Detail. Hop. Present. Hop.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, our national anthem.
Right shoulder. Hop. 2. Left wheel. Hop. Forward. Hop.
All right, God bless. We appreciate it beyond a shadow of a doubt. Right now, we are going to get back to the music. So here we go.
crazy to get them a good raise. I think if you're going to take a bullet for one of our citizens, you ought to be able to afford a house in Johnson County. And if you can't, then you're not paid enough. But days are coming where people aren't going to care. There's a couple of guys that are running for the position that I was in. Everybody keeps asking me, well, who do I vote for, Cal? Who do I vote for? I know both of them. They're both lazy. I don't care which side you go to. They're both lazy. They're not going to stand up for citizens because they won't put their job at risk. I did not care. They do. I don't know what you're going to do. But I know this much. I'm going to have to camp out, I guess, at the county commission meeting and make everybody miserable unless we get these guys up there, because what's going on is wrong. You are protected right now with a sheriff's office that is second to none. I'm not turning it over to an organization that's broke, wounded, or not performing at 110%. Everything, my dad used to call it hitting on all eight. The Johnson County Sheriff's Office is hitting on all eight. From our motor pool, to our records division, to our undercover unit, social unrest, our task forces, they're all inspired, they're all doing the job every day, and they're clicking. It's a beautiful thing. So, if these guys, even though they're lazy, if they'll just stay out of the way, the work will get done, because I know that my officers will do it. I know it. So, it's a toss-up. I don't even know what I'm going to do. So, let's talk about threats. You know, we got this threat from the border. We've got cartels buying rental property throughout the United States. They're making so much money from human trafficking and drugs that they're having to buy real estate in Johnson County. And they're trying to do one of two things. They are upping, my taxes went up about $74,000 in assessed valuation this year. Man, I appreciated that quarter-cent break, that quarter-mil break in our taxes. They're just trying to help us out. The math doesn't work for whatever they're doing. You know, they're lying to you all the way through. All the way through. They talk about sustainability. If you go to western Johnson County, you remember the days when people were chained to trees and you couldn't cut down a tree? I remember we couldn't build a firearms range because we cut down a few trees. Go to western Johnson County, they're grinding them up into mulch by the acre. We're building warehouses everywhere. We're putting up power lines as big as
So even on top of that, I thought maybe.
Mm-hmm.